Reading crypto charts is one of the most important skills any beginner needs to develop because it is the foundation of making informed decisions in cryptocurrency trading. When people enter the crypto market, they often rely on luck, hype, or social media trends instead of real data, and this leads to losses that could have been avoided simply by understanding how to read Bitcoin charts, Ethereum charts, and altcoin charts properly. When you understand crypto chart analysis, crypto price trends, candlestick patterns, and market psychology, you stop guessing and start making strategic moves. That's why learning how to read cryptocurrency charts is such a powerful skill. It gives you clarity, confidence, and the ability to analyze market conditions even before price movements fully happen. Many people think chart reading is complicated, but the truth is that once you understand the basic support and resistance, trend lines, volume, indicators, and candlesticks, you begin to see patterns that repeat over and over again in the crypto market. When looking at a typical crypto chart on platforms like TradingView, Binance, or Coinbase Advanced, the first thing you see are Japanese candlesticks. Candlesticks tell you everything about price movements within a specific time frame, whether it is 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day. A candlestick shows the opening price, closing price, highest price, and lowest price. When a candle closes higher than it opened, it's bullish, and when it closes lower, it's bearish. Understanding this helps you read price momentum and predict potential market direction. Candlesticks also form patterns that signal future behavior, such as bullish engulfing patterns, bearish engulfing patterns, doji candles, hammer candles, and shooting stars. Candlestick patterns are important because they show the emotional reaction of traders in real time. Crypto markets are highly emotional, and candles reflect the fear, greed, panic selling, or aggressive buying happening at that moment. When you learn to read candlestick patterns correctly, you gain a major advantage over beginners who trade blindly. Next is support and resistance, which is one of the most important concepts in crypto chart reading. Support is a price level where buyers enter the market to stop the price from falling, while resistance is where sellers come in to push the price back down. These levels are key because price often bounces between them repeatedly. Support and resistance help you identify good entry points and exit points. For example, if Bitcoin is approaching a major resistance level, it might be a bad time to buy because many traders may start selling. On the other hand, if price is near a strong support level, that might be a great buying opportunity. Most professional traders rely on these levels because crypto is extremely volatile, and knowing where the price tends to bounce helps you avoid emotional decisions. Support and resistance also help you understand market structure, which is the backbone of technical analysis. Another important element is trend lines. Trend lines show whether the market is in an uptrend, downtrend, or moving sideways. An uptrend means price is making higher highs and higher lows, while a downtrend means lower highs and lower lows. Traders use trend lines to identify the direction of the market so they don't trade against the trend. For example, if you see a strong uptrend, buying dips becomes a more strategic move than trying to short the market. Trend lines also help you detect trend reversals, which are moments when the market shifts direction. Recognizing trend reversals early can help you catch big opportunities or avoid major losses. Volume is another critical component in reading crypto charts. Volume tells you how many people are participating in the market at a given time. High volume indicates strong interest and confirms the strength of a trend, while low volume suggests weak momentum. For example, if the price is rising but volume is low, it may mean the trend is not strong enough to continue. But if a breakout happens with high volume, it's a strong sign that the move is real. Volume-based trading strategies are used by many experienced traders because they reveal the strength behind price movements. Technical indicators also play a key role in chart reading. Indicators like Relative Strength Index, or SI, Moving Average Convergence Divergence MACD, Moving Averages, and Bollinger Bands help you see hidden information inside the market. Our SI shows whether a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold. MACD helps you understand trend strength and momentum. Moving averages help smooth out price action and reveal the long-term trend direction. Bollinger Bands show volatility and potential breakout zones. Indicators should never be used alone, but when combined with candlestick patterns and support and resistance, they give you a strong trading strategy. Market psychology is another powerful part of chart reading. Charts are not just lines and candles, they represent human emotion. Fear makes people sell too early, greed pushes people to buy at the top, and uncertainty causes sideways movements. When you study charts long enough, you begin to recognize these emotional patterns. The crypto market is heavily influenced by sentiment because there is no central authority controlling prices. This makes chart reading even more important for traders who want to stay ahead of the crowd. By understanding market psychology, you avoid emotional decisions and trade based on logic and data. As you spend more time reading crypto charts, you begin to understand price patterns like double tops, double bottoms, triangles, wedges, and head and shoulders patterns. These patterns repeat over time and help predict potential market movements. For example, a double bottom is usually a bullish reversal pattern, while a head and shoulders pattern often indicates a trend reversal from bullish to bearish. Recognizing these patterns early can help you take advantage of future price swings. Another major part of reading crypto charts is understanding time frames. Long-term traders usually analyze the daily or weekly chart, while short-term traders use the 1-minute to 15-minute charts. The best method is to analyze multiple time frames together. This is called multi-time frame analysis. It helps you see the bigger picture while also understanding the short-term movement. For example, the daily chart may show a strong uptrend, but the 5-minute chart may show temporary pullbacks. Combining both gives you a complete understanding of what's happening. One more thing beginners need to know is the difference between spot charts and futures charts. Spot charts reflect the real crypto price, while futures charts sometimes have slight variations due to leverage and funding rates. Many beginners make the mistake of analyzing futures charts without knowing how they differ from spot charts. This can lead to misreading the market. Understanding the difference helps you make more accurate trading decisions. Reading crypto charts also involves understanding liquidity levels. Liquidity refers to how easily an asset can be bought or sold without causing major price changes. When liquidity is high, price movements are smoother. When liquidity is low, price becomes choppy and unpredictable. Liquidity pools, order books, and market depth charts on exchanges like Binance and Bybit help traders understand where large buyers and sellers are placed. These large orders often act as invisible support and resistance zones. As you continue to study crypto charts, you begin to develop your own interpretation style. Some traders focus on price action only, while others rely heavily on indicators. Some prefer patterns, while others rely on volume. The key is finding what works for you and sticking to it. The most successful crypto traders build a strategy and master it rather than switching strategies constantly. The more charts you analyze, the more confident you become. Over time, chart reading becomes natural. You start predicting movements before they happen because you recognize the signs early: the shift in momentum, the change in volume, the breakout from a consolidation zone, or the formation of a bullish continuation pattern. Mastering chart reading gives you control and helps you avoid emotional trading. In conclusion of the main content, but without giving a formal conclusion, chart reading is a long-term skill that keeps evolving. The more time you spend with charts, the more patterns you notice and the more experience you gain. Technical analysis is not about predicting the market perfectly, but about understanding high-probability setups and managing risk. This ability makes the difference between successful traders and beginners who struggle. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want more deep, easy-to-understand crypto education like this, make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and keep learning, because the crypto world rewards those who stay informed and consistent.